Alright, hey guys, how you doing? My name's Jonathan. I work at Mainline Westchester. We're up here at the Mid-Atlantic Overland Festival. It's my 2019 Tacoma TRD Off-Road. Been a great truck. Tacomas are awesome. They're bulletproof. I have the ARB Front bumper, the Baja Designs, LP6s in the front. Those things really light it up. And I also have a Warren winch back there with a Factor 55 rope guard. Definitely comes in handy in some sticky situations. Underneath, got a TRD skid plate. Added that on to help give some protection on the bottom. TRD front, TRD Pro Grill, which it's a nice clean addition to it. Always like that, which is pretty sharp. Sidewise, I'm running some TRD wheels, 17s. Got 285/75s on them, and the BF Goodrich KO2s. Great tire, performs really well. I have an Old Man Emu suspension in there. Got my upper control arms with Old Man Emu as well. We're showcasing Go Fast Campers since we just became the authorized dealer for them over here. So we do have the VT Pro on there for the show. So far it's really cool. Been getting a lot of looks. Really, really nice. Awesome driving with it. It wasn't very heavy, so pretty cool. Real comfortable at night, which is awesome. So, yep. Inside, it's just some basic upgrades, leather and stuff like that. You know, not too much on the inside that I've done. I did a Ridge tire carrier, swing out. It's all hitch mounted, which is nice. I like the ability that I can remove it if I need to. You know, a lot of people like to go for, you know, full swing out bumpers and all, but you know, just having the ability that if I ever needed to take that off, I can if I got to move it around. But real stout. Have the integrated third brake light in the back, but also the LED reverse light, so that helps out a lot at night because you get a nice blind spot behind you there. But pretty sweet with the front runner table. Slide out cutting board. Comes in handy. You can set your stove up and everything on there. And then they got some other stuff I'm going to be getting on that, but full-size spare too. Inside I got my deck drawer system. Carries all my stuff. I got it locked up right now, but got a full-size off-road jack in there. All my recovery gear, tools are in there. Definitely makes things very, very organized versus having everything kind of just thrown in there. So I'm able to utilize a lot of the truck space after the fact, and you know, works out real well. And with the camper, you know, with this system, if this system wasn't here, I mean, with that Go Fast camper, I mean, I'd have like almost like 10 feet of height. It's ridiculous. But even with that, it gives a nice little step up to the platform on the second level there. So that's pretty sweet as well. Upgraded taillights. I love that. Little simple things, you know. But yeah, but very capable. Always been a big fan of Toyotas. You know, they've done a phenomenal job on really making a bulletproof rig. Most people know that. Some other stuff I'm going to be doing. Definitely going to be upgrading the springs in the back. Can handle a little more weight. When I'm really loaded up, I got a little squat going, so I definitely want to counter that. And you know, obviously, it's a never-ending thing, but it's a lot of fun. No complaints on it. It's been good to me. Tried and true. I got an Overland tune on it. That's the one thing I did do to it. I always forget about that. But you know, if you're looking to tune it, that OTT tune, it's night and day difference. Especially if you got some weight on it and drivability. So that's probably the best upgrade I've ever done to the truck. So it's pretty wild. Wow. So, like I said, we just became the dealer for these guys. We're going to play on selling a ton of them. A lot of people have been looking at it. You know, you can do the tangerine tint, or you can do the stone gray if you like it a little more toned down. Folds down flat. You know, it's very quick and easy to set up.
It's good with color, man.
Yeah, no, it really pops, which is nice.
Yeah.
So.